let's make an amigurumi turtle together. I'm using this green Amigurumi DK spin yarn. It has a color gradient. I took out the middle from the yarn to have 2 strands because I want to use a thicker strand. I'm also using a 4.0 millimeter hook, a needle, stitch markers and safety eyes in size 6 millimeter, and scissors and stuffing. So let's start with the magic ring. You wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers, short end in the front, pull the long yarn end through with your hook. Then you take the yarn on your hand, the long one, pull the circle together a little bit, then make a chain at the top of the magic ring. Then go inside of the ring and make 6 single crochet inside of your magic ring. That's how you always start your amigurumi, or at least most often, with 6 single crochet. So now I'm continuing to make single crochets inside of the magic ring. Then you close the ring by pulling on the short yarn end, and now we are going to continue with doubling every stitch. That means you are crocheting 2 single crochet into every stitch. That makes a total of 12 stitches for the round 2. Alright, now we have finished round 2 with 12 stitches, and now we continue with round number 3. There we are going to increase every second stitch, so we will have a total of 18 stitches at the end. And make sure to always use your stitch marker to mark the first stitch of the round, because we are crocheting in invisible spiral rounds that are continuous. So now I have already crocheted the first stitch of round number 4 and moved up my stitch marker, and now you are going to do 2 single crochets, and then you're making an increase, meaning you're increasing every 3rd stitch. So in the end you should have 24 stitches. And you always know if you have counted correctly when you're ending with an increase in the last stitch. So now I have made the first stitch of round 5, moved up my stitch marker. Now I'm crocheting the 2nd, 3rd stitch, and now I'm doing an increase in the 4th stitch. So we have 5. I always count like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we just repeat this pattern 6 times in total until we reach 30 stitches in round number 5. So I have moved up the stitch marker. I made 3 stitches, a 4th stitch, and then I'm increasing in stitch number 5. Two, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so we are always increasing up to 6 stitches. Repeat that 6 times, so we have 33 stitches. So I'm making an increase in the last stitch here, and I'm ending with 36 stitches. So the next round we are going to crochet only in the front loops, as you can see. And then I am also continuing to make increases. This time we are increasing in stitch number 6. So in the end we have 7 stitches, and we repeat that around 6 times until we reach 42 stitches. So now we are coming to an end with round number 7 with a total of 42 stitches, and you should again end with an increase in the last front loop.